Welcome back to the AI Chef's Kitchen. Chef Kevin, great to see you.
Good to see you, and I'm looking forward to your new recipe, Chef David.
Yeah, this one's a little stretch calling it a recipe, but it's kitchen related. I read about a thing and it was on AI, so it might be hallucination, but something that chefs call the kitchen brigade, and it just describes the ranks and roles of the people in the kitchen. You know, in some kitchens, some people aren't allowed to talk to other people because that's just the rules of the kitchen. They have to hand each other notes, or they have to talk through another person. There's a lot of structure to it, and I came up with a structure for myself, my own little kitchen brigade. Working with AI, working with Claude Code. And
Okay.
if anyone knows what Claude Code is, it's the same Claude that's in Code Chat, but Claude Chat looks like a chat, and it feels like you're talking to a chat. And you could log back in, and it has the memory from the chat previous session. It's a chat. It feels like chatting with a person. Claude Code, it runs in a Windows terminal, which looks like a programmery thing. And every time you start it, it's fresh. And you're still talking to Claude, but it feels different. It doesn't feel like a conversation. It feels like I'm giving you instructions to do this. And the benefit of Claude Code is it's tied to my code in GitHub. So it just does the code. It just writes the code and publishes it, and then I test my app. So at first I was working with regular Claude and writing my own code up to GitHub, and someone hooked me onto Claude Code, and I'm like, how do I kitchen brigade this? I don't know how to work with, because I want to discuss the app with Claude Chat, because I want to chat with someone about it on a high level and say, this is what my users want. This is the feature I want to add. I want this on the left or on the right. Just talk about it to someone. And then I need a way to get that into Claude Code, who I feel Claude Code is like, lines 361 through 317 updated to blah, 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 and it's code. So the role I found is, and I have a little graphic here, and the graphic isn't exactly right. Banana did an okay version of this. It drew me as Claude Chat and as Claude Code. So it's a little bit of a stretch, but you get the idea. When I'm working with as Claude Chat, it's very academic. Right. We're looking at documents we put together. We put together a roadmap. We're looking at the roadmap plan and the structure and and deciding how we want to do something. And this guy, this is actually the message. This is the important part. I have Claude Chat write a brief for Claude Code, because Claude Chat understands Claude Code better than I do. So when I go to Claude Code, I don't really talk to Claude Code that much. It's kind of like the kitchen brigade thing I was talking about in the kitchen. Our roles are, I don't talk to Claude Code. I say, hey, Claude Code, here's the next brief from Claude Chat. Tell me what the results are. And then he gives me the results, and I take the results and I say, hey, Claude Chat, this is what Claude Code cooked up. Is it good or not? Should we push it or should we revise it? And I have an academic discussion back in the lab over there. So this is my recipe. And if you are vibe coding, not a dirty word, as vibe coders, we're not bad people. I'm getting attacked a little bit here, but if you are a vibe coder, this is a great way to take that little bit of a scary leap from working with Claude Chat, which is where you start, to Claude Code, which is telling you the productivity when you switch from Claude Chat to Claude Code. You will start, your app will be. So what do you think? You've coded. You've been doing a little vibe coding yourself, Chef Kevin. What do you think?
Yeah, so I love this, because I have to admit, I love your creativity, because I don't think I would have thought about this. I think I would have, like some of the stuff I've done, I've just gone in, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude, I'll just go, I've always stayed on one side or the other. So I really like this kitchen brigade concept, and I'm super psyched to try it out, to wrap this up
Ooh,
so we can try it out, because no. So I think I applaud your creativity. I
yeah.
think a lot of people listening will probably, like me, they may not have tried it. They may have stayed on either side. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how this improves both my productivity, but it's like cool because you can, as you say, you can chat on one side and kind of focus on getting stuff done on the other side. So great
Yeah,
recipe.
you got two screens, one on each. You're good to go. All
Super
right, thank you
cool.
so much, Chef Kevin, and thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you in the next recipe.